Only food bloggers know. 6 ways to make yogurt. You don't need to buy it anymore. The first one is Red Board Yogurt Candied Haws. Have you seen it? Take out the bare fruit that you can't finish at home and string them all up. Put them in the fridge overnight. Freeze them into hard shapes. Dessert. Put them in the refrigerated yogurt. Take a yogurt bath. And the Rainbow Yogurt Candied Haws are done. The outer layer is covered with soft and delicate yogurt. Ice cream. Wrapped with different fruit fillings. The taste is so rich. It tastes refreshing and cooling. It's lower in calories and healthier than regular ice cream. It's so delicious that you can't stop eating. Try it before summer. The second one, come and learn this. It only takes 1 minute. Without any baking skills. Even elementary school students can perfectly replicate it. Yogurt cake cup. Use your favorite cookies. Crush them into small pieces. Put a layer of cookies and yogurt in the cup. Then add a layer of cookies and yogurt. Repeat this process to make a sandwich. Finally, top it with cookies. And you can eat it. I made original and chocolate flavors. It looks very delicious. After being moistened by the yogurt. It's soft, fragrant, and milky. It's really delicious. Would you like a bite? The third one. Who hasn't tried a huge ice cream yogurt brick? Come and try. CC can't finish the stinky duck intestine mud. Oh my god, KK. Chanel and strong stir well. Stir it evenly. Put it all in my territory. You must have some cereal you like. And the strawberry you like. And put your favorite ice cream on it. Oh my god, KK. Go back to my palace. The next second, it's a whole piece of ice cream. Yogurt-like. Eating a piece in summer. It's so refreshing. The taste of this ice cream is really amazing. 88. The fourth one can be made with 2 ingredients. It's a super weight loss dopa yogurt ball. Pour milk powder into the bowl. And then pour in the grape-flavored doba yogurt. Wow, it's a yogurt ball. Stir until the milk powder melts. Pour it all into the plastic wrap. Tie it into a small bun. Put it in the oven and freeze for 4 hours. Flip it over. A yogurt ball that can be eaten by gnawing. It's crispy. Just like eating ice cream. It's silky and dense. When you take a bite, the popping beads explode in your mouth. It's really satisfying. What's the fifth dish? You can make it without a yogurt maker. Thick cut fried yogurt. Yogurt cream and white sugar. Fa. Wine. No. Wine. Add strawberry jam to adjust the flavor. Matcha Oreo. Make it. Wash it more, okay? Hey, let's make strawberry flavor too. Wow! Thick cut fried yogurt. It's even better than ice cream. Who hasn't tried the sixth dish? This recently popular yogurt cake? Now it only takes two simple steps. You can successfully replicate the dumpling. It's full of milky flavor. You can chew it. It's super low calorie. It tastes better than ice cream. The materials are also very simple. It's so clean that even children can eat it with confidence, especially if you need to consume yogurt. You can really try this method. If you don't want to wash one more bowl, you can directly weigh in the pot. Turn on medium-low heat in the pot. And keep stirring until it becomes thick and cohesive. Then it's done. Pour it into a bowl lined with plastic wrap. Actually, it's already very delicious. It tastes like mochi. But hold on, don't eat it yet. Because we need to refrigerate it. The refrigeration time is 4 hours. I froze it for 2 hours directly. At this time, it's like ice cream. After leaving it for 2 minutes, and then you can open it. It's really big and plump. It looks delicious. It has a strong milk flavor. With no ice crystals. Taste carefully. There is also a faint bean flavor. And it tastes better and better. It becomes even more glutinous after fully thawing. The size is just right. It's not greasy at all. It's cold and refreshing, really delicious. Everyone quickly save it and make it.